Good morning everyone. Welcome back to English class. What's new? I hope all are fine and safe. So today we are going to start our lesson 1. Lesson 1, Tom and his tooth. That is the title of this lesson. I repeat, lesson 1, Tom and his tooth. That is the title of the lesson. Okay. Now let's look who all are the main characters in this story. So first one is Tom. Then second one is Aunt Polly. Then third one is Sid. Sid is Tom's brother. And the fourth one is Mary. Mary is Tom's cousin. Okay, so these all are the main characters in the story. I repeat, Tom, Aunt Polly, Sid and Mary. These are the main characters in the story. And this story, Tom and his tooth, this story was adapted from a novel titled as The Adventures of Tom Sawyer. So, shall we start the story? So, today I am going to give you a short sum up of this story. So, come on, let's get started. And it was a Monday morning. Tom was really lazy to go to school. As we all know that we all have that laziness, idleness to go to school on all the Mondays. Isn't it? Because we all have many homeworks. Like Monday is like a busy day. Isn't it? So, he was really lazy to go to school. And he was thinking something. What was that? Yes, he thought that what all things he can say, what all reasons he can say to Aunt Polly to not go to school. Actually, he don't want to go to school. So, he thought about the reasons, what all reasons he can say. So, first of all, he thought about his stomach. Yes, I can say I have very painful stomach ache today, so I don't want to go to school. Then secondly, he thought about like last week he had a small cut on his toe. So he thought about that, and he also don't applied any kind of ointment of medicines in that cut. So he thought about that. Yes, that is the second reason I can say to Aunt Polly to not go to school. And the third one, he look at his one of his tooth. Yes, it's really loose. Then yes, at last I can also say this reason because my one of this tooth is loose. So I can say this reason to Aunt Polly. So I have total 3 reasons. I repeat, which all are they? Yes, stomach pain. Then secondly, a small cut in his toe. And third one, yes, one of his tooth is loose. And suddenly he had an idea. What was that? Yes, and that day, Monday morning, he woke up so early and he was thinking all these. Okay, and suddenly he started making loud noise. He started crying loudly and he started crying by saying that I'm gonna die. Oh, it's really painful. I can't bear anymore. Then by hearing that, his brother was lying near to him. His brother's name is Sid. Sid was lying near to him, and by hearing his cry, Sid woke up from his sleep. Then Sid asked Tom that, "Hey Tom, what happened to you? Why you are crying like this?" Then Tom said his little brother that, "Look at my toe, and you can see a cut there. It's really painful and I'm going to die because of that pain, and I'm ill and my stomach is really paining and I can't bear anymore. I'm going to die." And by hearing this dialogue, his small little brother was really feared. My brother is going to die. What he's saying? Then he was really feared and he woke up from his sleep and he went downstairs. He went downstairs near to Aunt Polly. Then Sid said to Aunt Polly that, "Auntie, please come upstairs. Tom is not really well. Please come." And he is also saying that he is going to die. Then by hearing this, Aunt Polly was feared. What this little boy is saying? Then she was really worried and tensed and her hands were shivering. And suddenly she went upstairs and she was looking Tom. And she asked, what happened, Tom? Why you are crying? And why you saying such things? Then Tom replied Aunt Polly that, Auntie, look at my toe, look at the cut, look at the wound. And Auntie focused on that cut, and after some time Auntie started smiling, laughing, and she said that you are perfectly okay. This is not a big deal. You are perfectly okay. And after that, like Tom was, oh my God, this plan was wasted. Now what I can say? Then yes. Then now he said that, Auntie, actually that's not the problem. Look at my loose tooth. It's really painful. It's really paining. And after that, Auntie again focused on his loose tooth. Then she realized that yes, Tom is saying the truth. Yes, one of his tooth is loose. And after that, Aunt Polly said Mary. Mary is Tom's cousin. Okay, then Mary is there. And Aunt Polly ordered Mary to bring up a string and also a lump of hot. Two things. What are they? String and a lump of hot. And after that, by hearing that, Tom was like, oh my God, string. Oh way, I am trapped. And he was little afraid what was going to happen here. Then Mary brought all that things, and what the auntie did was, and Aunt Polly took that string and she skillfully tied one end to that boy's loosened tooth and the other end to the bed spot. And after that, she brought that lump of hot and she did like this, like to make him afraid. Then at the same time, suddenly that boy Tom moved backside. Then here is the tooth. Yes, the tooth was pulled himself without knowing. Then here is the tooth. Then suddenly that boy allowed to Aunt Polly that, yes, Auntie, I am ready to go to school. I don't have any problem. I am perfectly all right. Then Aunt Polly said that, yes, here, that's it. And Aunt Polly understood that, yes, he was really tricking on me. He was like saying many reasons. I have that stomach pain and look at the cut in my toes and this painful tooth. He was playing trick on me, but no way. He should go to school. And at last, what happened here? And at last, in that Monday morning, he was getting ready to go to school. So this is the story of Tom, a boy of your age, a naughty boy, a lazy boy of your age. And the title of this lesson is, I repeat, Tom and his tooth. Okay, so I hope the story is clear. So see you in the DCS. Bye.